Hi, I am Mayans Valdez, a licensed Sun Life Insurance Advisor. So in this video, we will talk about education planning. As a parent, our dream is to provide our kids the best education that they will be able to choose and take the course they really want. Send them to the best schools without worrying about the cost. So this dream is possible, especially if we do education planning as early as now. Planning for education is very important. Saving money that is intended for our kids' education without proper planning is not enough. Because usually, we only save money in the bank without knowing or any idea how much is the target fund for their college or how much is the cost of education when they enter college, and also not protecting ourselves for any unforeseen events. So, my dear parents, there are only two scenarios that we need to prepare for when it comes to education planning. So, the first scenario is saving enough money for their college education. So, as early as now, we save money as much as we can. And for sure, we can achieve that as long as we have time. But what if, in the second scenario, we're running out of time? We're already taken out of the picture. Can we still be able to save for their college education? Or the money that we already saved enough before we're gone? So our life is uncertain. So please be certain when it comes to the education of our kids. So we can address the two scenarios by insuring the parents. Let's insure ourselves. So here in this slide, I want to give you an idea of the top 10 universities in the Philippines and their current annual tuition fee. So if you notice, most of the universities tuition fees are not less than 100,000 per year. So let's say in Ateneo de Manila, it's ranging from 170,000 to 190,000. In De La Salle, it's 200 to 230,000. In UP, it is more affordable. It only ranges from 35,000 to 50,000. While in UST, it's 100,000 to 150,000. And in Mapua, it's 145,000 to 210. And take note, that is only for tuition fee alone. So not yet included the other related expenses like room and board, clothing and transportation, books and supplies, and food and allowance. And according to CHED, tuition fee and other related costs today will continue to rise an average of 6.96%. Okay? So to give you an idea, how much is the 6.96% increase? Let's compute. Alright, so let's say the scenario is the parent or the father is 35 years old. He has two kids, namely Chin and Chun. So Chin is 5 years old and Chun is 2 years old. In 13 years from now, Chin will go to college while Chun will go to college 16 years from now. So the question is, what do the parents need to prepare for their kids' college education? Okay, so I have here a tool to help us compute for Chin's college fund. So her parents want to send her to UST with the current annual tuition fee of 100,000. Alright, and as a result, for Chin's college fund, in 13 years from now, it's already 213,000 on her first year. On her second year, it's 226,000. Third year, 239,000. And on her fourth year, it's already 254,000. So see, the 100,000 tuition fee today will increase as much as this in 13 years from now. And the total is 933,074 and 21 cents. That's actually the projected college funds 13 years from now. Okay, and let's see the Fortune's college fund. Chun will enter college in 16 years. So the projected college tuition fees by then are, first year, it's already 254,000. Second year, 269,000. Third year, 285,000. And on her fourth year, it's already 302,000. So the total cost of education of Chun is 1,111,306. Okay, and for the total cost of college education of two children, the total projected tuition fee in their 4 years in college is 2,044,380. That's the target fund for their tuition fees, not yet included the other related expenses. But at least we already have a figure how much it is in the future. Okay, and now that we already have the figure, so our next step is to find a brighter solution. It's one of Sun Life's traditional products called Sun Smarter Life Elite Peso 5 or 10 to address the education fund of our children. So here, for example, the father doesn't have any life insurance coverage, so he will be the policy owner and the insured for this plan. So we will cover him for 2 million pesos. And the basic coverage or face amount is 1 million, but it doubles, so it gives 2 million coverage. Plus, additional benefits like accidental death benefit, additional 1 million for the beneficiaries if cause of death of the insured is via accidental means. Next is total disability benefit, waiver of premium if the father is diagnosed and totally disabled and not capable to work. And the last additional benefit is the living benefit rider. So they can advance the 60% of the basic face amount if diagnosed to be terminally ill with life expectancy of 12 months or less. For illustration, in this plan, the father has living benefits, including the guaranteed cash value, guaranteed endowment benefit, and non-guaranteed dividends. So these living benefits can be used as an additional fund for kids' education. So the guaranteed cash value can be loaned anytime in case you need immediate cash or to address emergencies. But you should need to pay this with interest. And then the second benefit is the endowment benefit, wherein you can withdraw or leave it with Sun Life to accumulate more. So here, your endowment benefit is 80,000 or 8% of your face amount. So this endowment benefit is the highlight of this plan because it gives you additional steady stream of income starting on the end of 6th policy year and every 2 years thereafter until age 100. plus any accumulated dividend. And then for the death benefit, it is the sum of the guaranteed death benefit, which is the 2 million pesos plus any accumulated endowment benefit and dividends that is left with the company. Okay, so this is actually the last slide. So using this plan, we will be able to address the two scenarios. So you can use the living benefits for paying the tuition fees or additional funds for kids' education. And most importantly, if something happens to the father or the parents prior to the college of the children or during their college years, the guaranteed 2 million plus any accumulated endowment benefit and dividends is there to support their college education, that their kids can still pursue their dream career and have a brighter life. And for the parents, they're able to accomplish their dream to give a good education for their children, whether they are living or no longer with them. So, hope this presentation helps you planning and start building education fund for your precious blessing, your little one. So, thank you so much. Again, I am Miles Valdez, your licensed insurance advisor. Thank you.